Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my picks for the current spring 2025 FabFitFun add-on sale. As always, I'm super excited to share with you guys all of my thoughts about the items that they're offering for the season. So if you want to check out everything that I have my eye on for the add-on sale this season, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom. In my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below. And please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Okay guys, so if you've been watching my channel, you know I love to do these. I do this every single season. And this is the current spring 2025 add-on sale selections that I currently have in my cart that I'm so excited to share with you guys. If you are new to FabFitFun, definitely consider checking out my referral link in the description box below. And if you click that link and sign up for FabFitFun, you will save a little bit of money. And this video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. I purchased all of these items that I talk about by myself, so hopefully I can give you a little bit of an unbiased view about them. As a little bit of commentary, I will say that this season I was late to the game. I was at work, as I always am, on Thursdays when these drop, and of course, since I live in California, they drop at 9 a.m. our time. So I'm working. I'm in the middle of seeing patients. I was in clinic. I knew that I needed to check the add-on sale when it launched at 9 a.m. and I totally forgot. So I went on that evening. So now it was probably around, 10 hours into the sale when I finally looked at things. But there were still some really good things. And every season I always tell myself, okay, look, you cannot buy a lot of things for add-ons or extra selections through FabFitFun because I just have a lot of stuff. But for some reason, it just kind of snowballs. I try to resist certain things and then I just decide that I should have to have them. So my list for add-ons has definitely grown. As you probably know, throughout the next coming days, I will read through things. I will also add things as well. So this list will change and I will share with you guys in my final unboxing everything that I ultimately do pick up. And as a quick tip, as you know, for the add-on sale, you need to keep refreshing it because really at any given minute, literally, new items come on, other items sell out. So if you constantly refresh, you will get a great selection throughout the days that the sale is open. All right, so let me just dive in here and show you what I got. I think it was a nice mix of offerings, as there always are. A little bit of jewelry, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of beauty, actually a lot of bit of beauty. I think FabFitFun definitely leans heavy on the beauty part, which I'm not angry about. They also have animal and pet products. They have sunglasses. They have designer items now. They collaborate with a lot of resellers for designer items. So they have beautiful, I think, Prada items, Bottega items, just really nice high quality stuff. So really nice variety. Of course, homewares and also fitness too. So lots to choose from. In fact, I want to say every season the add-on selection just gets bigger and bigger. It takes me probably a good 20 minutes at least to go through all the items, even if I'm scrolling quickly. So I've combed through everything for you guys so that I can share with you what I think are the highlights for me. All right, I'm going to sit over here now so I can pop up pictures of the items I talk about right here. And I'm just going to let you know what's currently in my cart right now, and I'm really excited about all of these products. So the first one here is this Kula Hydrating Body Lotion. It has great SPF, as you can see here, but I really love how it's scented. So I love Kula products. I've talked about them a lot before. I get a lot of them from FabFitFun. I especially love their little mist or hydration mist that has SPF just for a topper on your makeup. But I love their sunscreen products in general. And this is a really good one, I hope. Last year around this time, I did pick up from Kula the spray sunscreen that was scented as well. It might have even been in the same scent. And I loved it. I love the fragrance. It really adds a nice touch to sunscreen, which normally is pretty yucky to put on. So I love this. So I'm going to pick this up. It's $14, 50% off. I thought that was a pretty good value. Next up, I have an eyebrow pencil. It's Blink Cosmetics. I'm not familiar at all with Blink Cosmetics, so let me know if you guys are and if you think it's high quality, high performing. But I'm always looking for a good eyebrow pencil. My go-to is the Anastasia with a very fine tip pencil. I just love that. But this looks pretty similar to it, honestly. I mean, look at that tip for the application. It's very thin. So I feel like I'm probably going to like this. So I am going to try this out. For some reason here it says the selection is blonde, but when I look at my cart, it says dark brunette. So I sure hope there isn't a glitch and I get a blonde pencil, but we shall see. But I thought this was a good one to potentially try out. I just want to try different formulations of brow pencils. All right, so this is a big one for me because I love this product. It's from LMS, and I currently use their marine cream during the day and also in the evening as my moisturizer. And I really like it. I like how it's not super thick, to be honest. It's a little bit of a lighter weight. It has a little bit of a fresh marine type of fragrance, I would say, and that's like an ocean type of scent, and I like it. It's not overpowering at all. So I really like this cream, and I purchased this before on FabFitFun as well. So I wanted to pick up another jar, but now they only offer it through subscription, at least for this season. And I've talked about in the past that I don't love doing subscription services because I forget to cancel them. So if I order a bunch of things on auto ship, I often forget and I just keep getting them. So I hate to do that kind of stuff. But with this one, I think I'm going to use it. So I actually am going to sign up for the subscription. And they ship it, I believe, with every seasonal box. So it's 4 times a year. I think that was a reasonable rate for shipment. So I'm going to pick this up. I really like this. This is actually the night cream. So they have just the regular marine cream with SPF, without. But so this is the night cream, which I think will be a little thicker, and I really just want a good nighttime moisturizer. So I'm going to try this out. I don't show the price here because it get cut off, but it's $16 if you want to purchase it via subscription. And the retail price is over $80 for this little jar. So I think that's a great value. I'm excited to try out this new service. I will let you know how it works out for me. All right, so this one here is pretty basic, but it's 8-piece pony ties, it says, in the taupe color. And these are not supposed to dent your hair or crease your hair. So I like these. I just like basic hair ties oftentimes for work, so it doesn't really overpower what I'm wearing. This is a good value. That's largely why I'm just going to snag it. It's $3, 75% off, so I have no idea if this brand is good or not, but I'm going to be picking this up. My daughters also just go through hair ties like crazy. I don't know if it's just our house. It's probably not, but we cannot keep track of our hair ties. We lose them. They don't break, but I think they're just getting lost everywhere. And if you throw a couple in a bag here, a couple in a bag there, all of a sudden you can't find them anymore. So somehow they disappear into a mystery place, and I have no idea where all these hair ties are. So I'm always restocking, so this was a good time to do so. And then I got 2 sets of this. So this is from Deco Beauty. This first one is called the Candy Shop Nail Art Stickers. $6, which is 50% off. And then the next set here is really cute too, from the same brand, but these are called Be Mine in terms of the motifs. And this one is only $5 for some reason. So I don't know what the difference is. But look at how cute these are. These are so adorable. So I own a lot of sheets of these, and these are nail stickers. But what I love about these is it's super easy to apply. Literally just peel them off, stick them on your nail, put on a top coat, and it stays on really, really well. So these are super fun. Honestly, I don't tend to use them just because, you know, I work in a professional setting and I don't know if having nail art is totally for me. I will do it on special occasions though. But why I love these is for my little girls. So they love them. So they're 10 and 6 now. And they love doing their nails. So they get to pick out a couple of stickers every time we do their little nails. And it's just super fun and it's really, really cute. So I'm going to restock on these. I think these are worthwhile if you haven't checked them out before. Super, super cute little nail art. And then I added this Adagio California Mini Travel Blow-Up Brush. And I don't know anything about this line, honestly, so I really need your help here too. Let me know if you know anything about this line of hair care products. But this just looks super convenient. So of course, I love the aesthetic of this. I think it's so pretty with the rose gold and black. So honestly, I'm sure you agree with me, but packaging or product aesthetics are just so, so powerful because they totally get me to purchase them. No question. So that's honestly what drew me to this first brush here, but I think it'd be nice to have a little blowout travel brush like this so I can take when I travel. So sometimes I do work travel, and of course they have the regular hair dryers in hotels, but it's just not the same, and it's not a really nice blowout travel brush like this. So I think I'm going to try this and see. I also can use it at home, obviously. So I'm going to see what I think about it. For some reason, this retails for $200, which in my opinion is probably inflated a bit. That seems like a lot for this, but they're offering it for $39, which is definitely more reasonable. So I'm going to try to check it out. Let me know if you know anything at all about this product line. All right, so here's another place where I need some help. So I am addicted to sunglasses, like I'm addicted to purses, to shoes, to clothes, to makeup, to everything. But I have a lot of sunglasses, but I really, really love getting new styles, especially for new seasons. And I love Key Australia. I've talked about them before, and I'm so glad that FabFitFun partners with Key because you're able to get some really nice styles, and I have quite the collection of Key Australia sunglasses. I think they really strike that good balance of being super fashionable, good quality, and really, really reasonably priced. So I love Key Australia. So I have two versions here that I have my eye on, and they're both similar styles, so I need your help. The first one here is called the Name Drop. Its color is chocolate and dark chocolate for the lens, and it retails here for $52, but the comparative value is $75. So it's about 30% off. It's not a screaming good deal, but I really like the style, and I really like the chocolate brown. I don't think I have a chocolate brown framed sunglass. So I really like the little flat top version here. I have similar styles, which I really love. I think it's a little different than the more classic style of frame shapes. So I really like this one. And then the other one looks pretty similar, but this is called the No Curfew, and this is black and smoke, it says. And it has the gold tone little earpieces. So on FabFitFun, they're offering it for $64, but the comparative value is $105. So this one also looks pretty chic. Why I'm not so sure about this one is that it's black and I have a ton of black, but I do really like the little gold details. So let me know, help me out, which one of these do you think I should go for? I think they're both super, super cute. So I'm probably gonna splurge on one of them, but I will see. Next up, I have a pair of earrings, which I also really love and probably will end up picking up. So this is from Donatello Gian. It's a sterling silver clover studs. So I love this motif. Obviously, it's very similar to Van Cleef, and I own a couple of pieces of Van Cleef, as you guys probably know. I really love this motif, but I don't know any Van Cleef earrings. So I think I'm going to try this out. I really love the simple studs, especially for work, and I haven't decided on the color. I currently have this mother of pearl and silver, but they also have a black and a beautiful malachite looking stone. So I am going to think about this a bit and probably pick one of these. Let me know as well if you know about this brand. I also never heard of this brand. And that's what's kind of fun and kind of scary about FabFitFun is that sometimes you have brands that you know and love, but a lot of times, you know, I just really am not familiar with the brand. So it's a good way to actually try things out and see if you like them. So I am going to probably pick one of these earrings up. And then moving on to a little bit of a home goods, I would say, is this multitasky Cloud-Light Comfort mouse pad with wrist support in pink. So it's $19 on FabFitFun, and I probably don't need this. I have a similar wrist support mouse pad now that I currently use in my home office. But it's, I think it was from a pharmaceutical company, free. So it has, of course, their advertisement. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing on my desk setup, obviously. So now is the time probably to upgrade, I will say. But I do like this wrist support feature for using a mouse, because I use a mouse a lot every day, and I think it really helps, and it's super comfortable, and I mean, I love it, it's pink. So I am almost for sure gonna pick this up and see how it works out for me. All right, so next thing is not super fun, and I think this is the last item I currently have. But again, I just can't resist. I love the aesthetic of this, but it's the Social Chef 2-piece vegetable peeler set. So you get 2 different versions of vegetable peelers. So this is totally boring, right? But at the stage of life that I'm in, I peel a lot of vegetables. I have 4 kids, as you probably know. So I like to make things. I don't cook a lot, but you know, I will make chicken soup and different types of soups and stews, and I have to peel vegetables. And I currently have a vegetable peeler that I probably got for like $5 from somewhere years ago. So it still works. So I'm still going to keep it. It's a bright pink, ironically. But I think I need to upgrade, and I think I need to get some backups, because if I ever lose that little guy, I won't be able to make what I need to make. So I don't know. I may or may not pick this up, but I thought it was just so pretty. I think I might splurge on this, and I could definitely use these. All right, so I think that's all I currently have in my cart for the add-on sale. Let me know what you guys think of my selections. Other things that I really love, of course, are the nail polishes, and I would highly recommend trying some of those. They have such beautiful colors and different brands to choose from that honestly, that's mostly where I get my nail polishes these days, so I just love those. Otherwise, yeah, really a lot of great selection of beauty products too that I decided I'm probably going to pass on, but really good choices out there. All right, guys, so comment below, what are your favorites from the add-ons? Please help me out about some of my selections as well. If you're interested in hearing everything that I'm gonna customize my box with, definitely stay tuned, because the next video I'm gonna upload is gonna be my Customize With Me video. And then of course, once I finally get my box and all of my add-ons and customized products, I will do my big Spring 2025 FabFitFun box unboxing to share with you as well. Well, I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.